What's going on, guys? It's Neat Heat, and today we're doing a restoration on these 2002 Jordan 6 lows. So the first step we got to do is take the shoe all the way apart, getting off that old crumpled midsole to prep for that donor. So the original air unit color was in fact blue, but we're just going to keep it what color the donor is. So now we can prep the shoes using acetone and some cotton rounds to get it ready for the reglue. The Dremel tool is very important. Make sure the uppers and the midsoles have a perfect fit. I also like to use the other one when I'm done. It just gets more detailed of a job done. Alright, so now it's time to take all of that old crumbled midsole off the original soles so we can prep it, put it in the light box, and then we can put glue on it. So to separate this donor, I am using the acetone method. So I sanded the shoe, acetoned it, and painted a base coat. After that, I let that dry, painted a little bit of a base coat of cream with a mix with white to add that aged look. Next step we're doing is adding the matte finisher. I would add as many coats as you think you'd need. It's a protective layer for the paint and for scratches, scuffs, water. Really protective layer for anything. So now we can glue and add the white film to make it look just a little bit more factory ice. We can heat up and glue the midsole to the bottom sole and then put the glue on the uppers. Now that we got the glue cured, we can glue the uppers to the midsole with the bottom sole attached. Glue the base, work our way from the sides. And now that the shoes are all glued, we can lace them up. I hope you guys enjoyed the video. This is the final result, and if you need anything restored, hit up my Instagram at neat_heat23.